Side lunges, we're going to target the sides of our legs. This is a really important area to target. A lot of us with lower back pain. It's also because this area of the body is often quite weak. So be very careful not to ignore an exercise like this. The big trick here is to stand out and then push the hips down and back, keeping the knee in line with the toes. Use a wall or a chair if you need balance assistance. But that's the big point here, is to push those hips down and back and go as low as you can. Back extensions, you can use the legs up or down. I'll show two variations here. Keeping the navel engaged, really focusing on the middle of that back. That's where the contraction is really starting to happen here. Be sure that you breathe throughout this exercise and don't rush through it. This is looks so easy, it can be easy, but this exercise can cause a lot of pain if it's done incorrectly. So focus on breathing and take it slowly.